tayo. So you can relax properly. So first is scan your body. Remove all the, ayan, sige. Kailangan relax yung katawan. You should be relaxed properly. First is scan the toes, your hips. If there's any tension, you have to remove it. Scan your shoulders, your neck, back of the neck, jaw. If there's any tension on your jaws, remove it. And you can also close your eyes. The top of your head, if there's any tension in your head, you have to remove it. Okay. And now, take a few moments for silence. And now, try to think about something beautiful and just focus on your breathing. You're going to do a belly breathing. Inhaling, expand your belly, exhale. Try to relax the body, remove any tensions. Okay. Do it repeatedly. Inhaling, expand the belly. Exhale. Okay, I'll give you time to relax and just do the breathing exercise repeatedly for 2 minutes. Okay, just continue breathing. Think about the sound of the air or the birds. Okay, we're going to count your breath hold. I'm gonna count 1 to 3. It means 3 full breath in 1, and 2, and 3. Then you will hold it. Okay? I'll give you time to relax in 1 minute. I'll give you signal once we're going to start counting. Okay, and 1, and 2, belly breathing, and 3, hold. Scan the body. Remove any tension to your hips, legs, toes, arms, chest, shoulders, jawline, and you can raise your hand kapag hindi na kaya. Okay. Relax. Go na record. Okay, very good. We're gonna repeat that. Just relax. Okay. Again, scan the body. We're gonna repeat it for the second time. Okay, in 1, and 2, and 3, hold. Again, scan the body from head to toe. Any tensions, try to release it. Try to relax the shoulders, the back of the neck, you can raise your hand pag hindi na kaya. 47. Okay, relax the body. 1 minute. Very good. Very good, guys. Now, slowly moving your feet, your fingers, and your head. And now you can sit. Thank you so much.